Hello, this is Jeffrey T. Fertiller, back with another Service Management Leadership video. We thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel and hope you'll look around at some of our other videos. Today's topic has to do with the world of ITSM, specifically incident management. Incident management is a process where we look to resolve things that are broken, especially on the service level, and we want to resolve them as quickly as possible. It may even be items that are about to break. And I want you to think about the metrics for incident management with me real quick. These videos are pretty quick, aren't they? And so I want you to consider tracking how many of your incident tickets get reassigned or reprioritized because they were wrongly categorized or prioritized or assigned in the first place. Here's the thought. If you have a high percentage of your incident tickets that need to be reprioritized, that need to be reassigned, recategorized, don't you think that would indicate that more training is needed? Because if our goal is to resolve an incident as quickly as possible, reassigning it only slows it down. And so we want to resolve quickly. We want to be able to not have long outages. We want our business to have large of uptime, the highest percentage of uptime as possible. And so use metrics like these to give you keys, to give you indicators on, hey, do we need more training? And if so, which groups? Think about taking these little metrics and separating them out by groups. Find out which ones are your high offenders and go talk to them and try to have a little training session, or a big one, depending on how big the need is. This is Jeffrey T. Fertiller. Thank you for joining us today on our YouTube channel. Please like or share the video. Subscribe to our channel. Leave us feedback below. We'd love to hear from you. Hope you have a great day. Bye.